Before scaling your niche AI solution, conduct a comprehensive feasibility assessment to ensure readiness and reduce potential risks. Begin by evaluating the system's maturity and foundational stability, confirming that its architecture, algorithms, and data pipelines can handle increased demand without compromising performance or accuracy. Next, map out all necessary resources, covering infrastructure such as servers and cloud services, specialized talent for AI development and maintenance, and sufficient capital to support both short-term scaling efforts and long-term sustainability. Build a detailed growth model that projects scaling costs, operational timelines, and expected outcomes, including revenue, adoption rates, and market penetration. Factor in potential bottlenecks, regulatory considerations, and competitive responses. This structured assessment ensures that scaling is approached strategically, allowing for optimal resource allocation, predictable performance, and minimal disruptions, while maximizing your chances of achieving sustainable growth in a competitive market. Conduct a pre-scaling evaluation framework to confirm your niche artificial intelligence solution is fully prepared for expansion. Begin with a readiness analysis to assess the system's maturity, scalability, and stability, ensuring the underlying architecture, algorithms, and data pipelines can handle increased loads without performance degradation. Next, map all necessary resources, including robust infrastructure such as cloud capacity and computing power, specialized AI and data science talent for development and support, and sufficient capital to cover both operational and growth requirements. Then, develop a detailed growth model that projects scaling costs, realistic timelines, and expected outcomes such as revenue growth, market penetration, and user adoption rates. Incorporate risk assessments, potential bottlenecks, and contingency plans into your model. Assessing your technical infrastructure is essential to prepare for the unique challenges of scaling AI-driven niche solutions. Start by evaluating whether your AI models require specialized hardware, such as GPUs for high-volume parallel processing or TPUs for advanced machine learning workloads, to maintain performance at scale. Analyze your data pipeline's architecture to determine if it can handle a 10x to 100x increase in volume without major redesigns or performance bottlenecks. Examine your API framework to ensure it supports high availability, low latency, and consistent throughput, even during traffic spikes. Implement effective rate limiting, load balancing, and error handling protocols to protect service reliability. Addressing these elements early ensures that as your AI-powered system grows, it remains fast, stable, and resilient, capable of delivering a seamless user experience without costly downtime or technical overhauls. Strategic partnerships and intelligent automation form the backbone of scalable AI-driven niche growth. Begin by identifying integration partners, platforms, service providers, or complementary brands, and explore mutually beneficial data sharing arrangements to enrich AI model accuracy and personalization. Consider deploying white label solutions to accelerate distribution and reach new markets without building from scratch. Audit all manual processes that slow operations, then rank them by potential return on investment to prioritize automation efforts. Develop a clear roadmap that sequences these automation initiatives in line with your long-term growth objectives. Apply the blue ocean strategy to uncover unconventional partnership opportunities in untapped markets, creating unique value propositions with minimal direct competition. This combined approach streamlines scaling, maximizes efficiency, and positions your AI solutions for sustainable dominance. Conduct a comprehensive scalability audit to ensure your AI-driven niche solution can expand without compromising performance or profitability. Begin by evaluating technical foundations such as containerization readiness for efficient deployment and microservices adaptability for modular scaling. Confirm operational readiness by establishing scalable customer support systems, detailed process documentation, and training materials to maintain service quality as user volume grows. Assess financial viability using metrics like unit economics, profit margins, and customer acquisition costs to verify profitability at scale. Align with market demands by studying demand elasticity, pricing sensitivity, and potential competitive reactions. Score each category on a scale of 1 to 5, targeting a 4 or higher before initiating scaling. This structured approach minimizes risk, ensures resilience, and sets the stage for sustainable, profitable growth. Strategic alignment is essential when scaling AI-driven niche solutions. Growth should reinforce, not dilute, your core competitive advantage. Every expansion step must build on what already sets your niche apart, whether it's specialized expertise, proprietary technology, or a loyal audience base. Timing sensitivity plays a critical role. Use insights from trend and timing analysis to identify and act within optimal market windows, ensuring your scaling sequence matches audience readiness and demand surges. Equally important is continuous evaluation. Establish data-driven feedback loops that monitor performance metrics, user behavior, and ROI in real time. These loops allow you to refine campaigns, adjust automation parameters, and respond quickly to shifts in market conditions. Together, these principles create a scaling framework that is confident, calculated, and resilient, enabling sustainable, long-term growth for niche AI systems.